Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope everyone is doing great today. If it's your first time here, feel free to click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on that bell just so you don't miss any updates on my new videos. So guys, a disaster is happening in St. Vincent right now. It's now confirmed by multiple news sources that there was a volcanic eruption in St. Vincent, and this has disturbed the society in St. Vincent. A lot of persons have to be evacuating the area, running for safety and for protection of their life and so forth. It's sad to see what's happening in St. Vincent right now, especially throughout the crisis of COVID and everything that's going on. My prayers go out to everybody in St. Vincent right now, and I hope that this will not take the life or claim the life of anybody in St. Vincent. Now, I do have a few videos for you guys of the volcanic eruption. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Click the subscribe button and that bell. Here's the videos.
Live eruption right here. Live. Right now, look here, we live. Real people. They overload. People like joke. Boat ride you having or something? You having a boat ride or something? Jesus Christ. Look at people. Look. You having a boat ride.
What's your shin? What's your shin? You hear that power too? Power again. Right.